I used to think getting my life together will happen all at once. Then one day, I woke up and I have everything figured out. And I finally feel like I am moving in the right direction. But rebuilding doesn't look like that at all. Most days don't feel life-changing. They feel ordinary. A notebook, a laptop, a lot of things that I need to get done. And somehow, these ordinary moments are slowly becoming my new life. I used to think success started when people notice me. Now I think it starts much earlier. It starts on the days nobody sees, the days you keep learning, keep creating, and keep believing that what you are building matters. Maybe getting my life together isn't about becoming someone completely different. Maybe it's becoming someone I can trust. Someone who keeps showing up, even when life isn't perfect. Even when I'm still carrying debt. Even when the future feels uncertain. Tomorrow won't change my life. But the person I become tomorrow just might. I'll see you on day 53.